From the makers who have been crafting premium windows and doors for more than a century comes the latest innovation from Marvin that seamlessly merges your indoor and outdoor worlds. Introducing the Elevate Bifold Door. Built with a wood interior and Ultrex fiberglass exterior in a variety of finishes and virtually no maintenance needed, you can enjoy seamless transitions between living spaces, both indoors and out. Effortlessly unlock and open the door using sleek, contemporary hardware. Magnets protect the panels when stacked to keep the door looking its best. The Elevate Bifold Door comes in sizes up to 8 feet tall and 22 feet wide and is available in 28 different configurations that vary from 1 to 7 panels. Enjoy fresh air and keep bugs out by opening the door and keeping the screen closed. The pleated fabric screen folds tightly to the side when opened for unobstructed views. A concealed locking system is built within the door, providing additional peace of mind. With all its possible project options, including replacements, remodels, and new builds, unfold new possibilities for your home with the Elevate Bifold Door. Not a door as we once knew it. It's everything a door should be.